Our goal in solving this inequality is to find the value of x, which makes the inequality true. First, let's rewrite the inequality so that the left side is only x. To do this, let's eliminate -1 on the left side. So, we are going to add 1 to both sides of the inequality. Here, it is important to treat both sides equally. So, when we add a number to one side of the inequality, we must add the same number to the other side. After adding 1, the left side of the inequality is simplified to x. Then, let's simplify the right side of the inequality. 3 plus 1 is 4. So, x is less than 4. This tells us that x is all numbers less than 4. To graph this on the number line, let's shade in all the numbers to the left of 4. Then, let's put a parenthesis at 4 to show that the solution does not include 4. Also, this can be written in interval notation. Here, we use the symbol negative infinity, since there is no lower end to the solution.